Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. What I was saying that this Muslim chart you have to by heart, okay, and you have to know the sounds like dual. What is the dual sound and what is the singular sound? What is the combination and what is the sounds? Okay, so this is very important for all of you to memorize this. So just repeat with me or try like this. The singular form you have to look for the sounds un and n, okay, or you can say u, a, e. And for the dual you have to, this is about the masculine chart, and for the dual about you have to remember that it is ani, ani is your rafa, ani is your nasab or jar. In plural you have to remember una, ina. So una is your rafa, and ina can be your nasb or jar. Okay, and for feminine it is muslimatun, muslimatan, muslimatin, that is otun, or you can say tutun, ta tan, ti tin. Okay, tun tan tin. Okay, muslimatani, muslimataini. Here the ending combination in dual is tani, tiny. In plural you have muslimatun, you have to stretch this alif. So to make it clear, muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin. So the ending combination is atun, atin. Right? Right.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, try with abidun. Abidun. Please complete this chart, masculine and feminine, with abidun. Ibadat
Shall I
karne wala,
try?
one who prays. Yeah.
Shall I try?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. Abidun, abidan, abidin, abidani, abidaini, abiduna, abidina, abidina. Then abidatun, abidatan, abidatin,
Very good.
abidatani, abidataini, abidataini. Then
Very good.
abidatun,
Very good.
abidatin, abidatin.
Excellent. Excellent. Now next, now other one. Shahidatun.
Okay, shall I try?
Yeah, please, Kaustubh, go ahead.
Okay. Shahidatun, shahidatan, shahidatin, shahidatani, shahidataini, shahidataini,
Very good.
shahidatun, shahidatin,
मैम इस
shahidatin.
रिकॉर्ड जाता है, मैम इसको क्या करें?
Plural. You go for the plural, my dear. You went for the feminine, I think. You are doing masculine, right?
I said the feminine plural as well. Shahidatun, shahidatin, shahidatin.
Because some disturbance is there for me. I don't know. I'm unable to hear that.
Yeah, the sister has a network problem, I guess. She's not able to hear.
Yeah, and I can't mute her because I'm not the host. That's also the problem.
I think
Okay,
you
my
can
dear.
just put your WhatsApp number on the chat box and just tell her to contact you on your number. I think she cannot understand English.
Yeah, I talk in Urdu, right?
Yeah. No, but she has a network problem. Main thing is, she has a network problem. So I think half the things she can
मैम
understand.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है।
यार आपका नेटवर्क में कुछ इशू है। मैं आपका नाम क्या है?
मैम जी सलमा।
जी सलमा जी, मैं आपको चैट में मैं अपना नंबर लिख रही हूँ। आप प्लीज मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज करें। व्हाट्सएप पे।
मैं पर्सनल
जी 9175812978। ओके, मैंने अपना नंबर चैट बॉक्स में दे दिया है आपको। आप वहां से लेकर मुझे मैसेज करें व्हाट्सएप पे। मैं आपको इंशाल्लाह सारी डिटेल्स दे दूंगी। ओके ओके, सो हु वाज डूइंग दिस? कौसर, गो अहेड।
Shall I repeat again?
Yeah, I think you, I don't know. Yeah, please repeat. I didn't hear actually. I don't know what I heard or not. Yeah, repeat.
Okay.
I'm confused.
Shahidatun, shahidatun was the word, right? When I forgot.
Yeah, Shahid. I know. I said Shahidun. I said Shahidun.
Okay.
You have to say feminine and masculine.
Okay. Shahidatun,
No. First
Shahidatan.
go for shahidun. First go for
Okay,
the
okay.
masculine one. Masculine
Okay,
one.
fine. Shahidun, shahidan, shahidin.
Very good.
Shahidani, shahidaini,
Yes.
shahidaini.
Very
Then
good.
shahiduna, shahidina, shahidina.
Very good. Now
For the
feminine.
feminine it is shahidatun,
Very
shahidatan,
good.
shahidatin,
Very,
shahidatani, shahidataini, shahidataini. Then
very good.
shahidatun, shahidatin, shahidatin.
Very good. Mashallah. So I think it's clear for everyone. There's nothing more in
Yes,
this.
sister. Alhamdulillah.
So a status is clear for everyone. You know the sounds and ending combination.
Yes.
See,
Yes.
I told you, I explain you that whenever you see a noun, okay, whenever you see, recognize it as a noun, you have to first check for the ending combination. Why? You see the answer over here in your screen. Remember, always look for ending combination first. Why? So you don't get confused by some ending combinations like Muslimatun and think it is an ending sound. See, in Muslimatun, the atun tun sound is like sounds, not like combination. But basically, it's a combination. It's atun. It's not tun. We are adding their alif and ta. Okay, open ta, both ta. Okay, we are adding that one. So what you have to do whenever you see a word, what you have to do, you have to focus on first combination, not on sound. First on combination, you see for ani, ani, tani, tiny, tiny, or una, ina, atun, atin. What my point? So now we will try some exercise over here. I can't zoom it. You can zoom. Okay, here a few is done for you, but you can focus. You see, Musliman, in this you have to say whether it is ending sound or ending combination or whether it is Rafa, Nasb or Jar. This is now we are practicing the concept. So Musliman is your what? You have to give me two things. You have to give me the status or you have to tell me the whether it is ending combination or sound. Okay, go ahead. Musliman.
Musliman is the sound. And
Musliman is ending sound and nasab.
Very good. Now Muslimuna.
Muslimuna
Muslimuna
is
is
ending
addition.
combination and plural.
Very good.
Addition. And it's
Yes.
plural.
Rafa.
Very good. So it's Rafa, una, Rafa, una. You can sing una, Rafa, una.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है.
बहन मैं क्या बोलूं आप एक काम करें आप मीटिंग से बाहर जाए फिर अंदर आए ओके मतलब आप बाहर जाए फिर आए ओके तो शायद आपका नेटवर्क इशू क्लियर हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह ओके मुस्लिमाइनी
Muslimaini is nasab or jar dual form.
Very good.
And
it's addition.
And
it's
it is the
combination.
ending combination.
Yeah, it's combination.
Very good. Ending combination. Very good. Muslimatun.
Muslimatun also ending combination.
Rafa.
It will be Rafa.
Rafa and yeah.
And plural. Yeah.
Plural and feminine. That you can also add. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Muslimani.
This is dual, Rafa.
Dual. This is ending combination and dual.
Very good. You all can say together. Don't worry. It will help you to practice. Okay.
It is nasab and jar, no? Nasab and jar.
No, it's Rafa.
My dear.
It's
no, Rafa. Sorry, Rafa. It is Rafa. Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Muslimatin. Atin. Yeah.
Muslimatin is nasab and jar ending combination.
And very good.
Plural.
Muslimin.
Muslimin is ending sound.
Sound.
It is jar. It is jar. Yeah. Jar and ending sound. And
Already
singular.
I answered. Very good. Yeah, in sound, when you have to see the sound only in singular nouns. You cannot see the sounds in dual and plural. In dual, you have to look for the combination. Got this point? This is very important point. This should be in your head. Okay. So singular nouns, you are not searching for what? You are not searching for the ending sound. You are searching singular noun. You have to search for ending sound. You are not searching for ending combination. In dual and plural, you have to search for the ending combination. Okay. in this. But about the broken plurals, in broken plurals, most of the broken plurals end with ud and in only. So there also the sound works. So that we will learn when we will do the numbers. Here you have to focus like this, ending sounds, ending combination. Okay. Now coming to Muslimatun. Muslimatun first.
Muslimatun is Rafa, ending sound and
Okay.
singular.
Yeah, someone said Rafa sound. Okay. Muslimina.
Muslimina is ending combination. It is nasab and jar and plural.
Very good. Nasab or jar. Muslimatani. Tani, ani,
Muslimatani is it is Rafa and dual. Dual, isn't it?
Very good. Rafa and dual. Very good. Muslimun.
Muslimun is ending sound
Muslimun.
and Rafa.
And singular.
Very good. Very good. Now some homework is like you see here in this, what you have to do, this a drill is the word Muslim is Rafa or Nasb or Jar. You have to find out in the sentences, according to the sentence, you have to tell whether it is Rafa, Nasb or Jar. So the example is, I'm so sorry for that. आप सबको आ रही है? I think others are getting the sound, right? No one is having this problem.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, Mary, I'm so sorry for that. You can get out and get in. Okay, आप बाहर जाके अंदर आए, मतलब Zoom से एक बार जाएं फिर अंदर आए. A Muslim woman traveled. बहन क्या बोले? Okay, now go ahead. A Muslim woman traveled. Okay, in this you have to find for Muslim only whether it is Rafa, Nasb or Jar. So first in the sentence, how you have to find for
Rafa is Rafa.
It is Rafa.
Muslim is Rafa because Muslim is what?
Single.
Doer. No,
It is
Rafa is
no.
your doer. Rafa,
Dual. Okay, no, I heard dual. That's why.
Okay, sorry, doer. Okay, subject of the sentence. So basically, status tell you about what? The role of the ism, what the ism is doing over there, whether it is acting as a subject, coming as a subject, or coming as an object, or whether it is coming or something is acting upon it, right? So that is the Rafa Nasb wa Jar. That is it tells us the status, the role of the noun in that sentence. So in this sentence, Muslim, because I told you about just to save the Rafa Nasb wa Jar of Muslim. So in this sentence, first sentence, a Muslim woman travels. Here, a Muslim is your doer. Okay, woman. So it's in Rafa. Okay. The religion of a Muslim is Islam. Here what?
It Nasab.
Nasab. Okay, very good. So it is Nasab? No, it is something else.
Of
Muslim.
No, I think it is Jar. I think it's Jar.
Yes,
Yeah.
because why? Religion of a Muslim.
Religion
There's
of
a
a Muslim.
possession.
Yes.
The religion of a Muslim, the word after of is your jar. Okay.
Yes.
So I met a Muslim woman. So here first you find out, see my dear, first you look for the verb. What I taught you in a sentence, you have to look for the verb first. Which action is going on over there? Then you ask yourself, who is doing that action? So then you will come to know the doer. Then the rest of it will be your detailing, right?
Yes.
It will be your object. So in this sentence, I met a Muslim woman. Met is your verb. Yeah, it's nasab. And I is your doer. Okay, and other than that is your nasab. Okay, very good.
Nasab.
So the religion of Muslim, same thing. Okay, two Muslims traveled. Two Muslims traveled.
This is Rafa.
This Rafa.
Yes, this is Rafa dual. Very good. Muslimani. No, Rafa. Yes, Muslimani. Dual. Who's traveling? Muslim. Two Muslims are traveling. So here the two Muslims are your Rafa. Very good. So now okay, Muslims traveled.
It is plural Rafa.
Plural Rafa.
Very good. Plural Rafa. Very good. I met a Muslim.
Nasab singular.
Nasab singular. Yeah. Musliman.
Very good. Musliman. Very good. The religion of, see the of over here. The religion of two Muslims is Islam.
Jar dual.
Dual.
Very
So
good. Jar
Muslimaini.
dual.
Muslimain.
Yes.
Yeah, it will be Muslimaini. Very good. Here it is jar. Okay. I met Muslims.
This is
Nasab.
plural
Again,
nasab. Plural nasab.
very good. The house of, again the of is coming. The house of a Muslim woman is clean. Here Muslim is what?
It is
Singular Muslimin.
jar.
Muslimin,
Very
but
good.
singular and jar.
Jar. The status is jar. Very good, mashallah. Well done, all of you. So got the concept?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so you can try. I will send you this list like this. Sadiqan, Manafiq, Shahid, Fakhir. You can try with this words, okay, with this chart. Okay, Muslimun, feminine and masculine. You want to practice more? Because this is very important. Everyone has to get this. Singular,
Yes.
sound, and combination. Okay, I will ask one by one.
जी हमें इसका ये सिंगुलर क्या होता है और प्लूरल क्या होता है?
जी सिंगुलर होता है वाहिद, ओके, प्लूरल होता है जमा. आपने सुना है उर्दू में वाहिद जमा? सिंगुलर होता है वाहिद और प्लूरल होता है जमा. नहीं, वो तो आपका जिन्स हो गया. वो तो जिन्स है, ये मर्द है औरत है. मुअन्नस और मुज़क्कर वो अलग है. मैं आपको उर्दू की लिंक दे दूंगी. आपको नंबर दिया ना मैंने, आप मुझे मैसेज कीजिए. आप उर्दू की क्लास ज्वाइन करिए मेरी. ओके, so here we are practicing for something like Hafiz. Hafizun. Who will try? Parker, Azima. Can you come up? Hafizun.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please try this chart, feminine and masculine chart with Hafizun. Yeah. You can see the
Hafizun.
Okay,
Hafizan.
First you say slur. Very good. Hafizan.
Hafizin.
Very good. Hafizin. Very good. Now dual.
Hafizani. Hafizina.
Very good.
Hafizina.
No. Zina is the plural. Ina is the plural. Dual is what? Ani, aini. Hafizani.
Hafizani.
Hafizaini. Right?
Hafizaini.
Hafizaini.
Yes.
Very good. Hafizani.
Again,
Hafizaini. Now plural.
Hafizaini.
Hafizuna.
Hafizuna. Hafizina. Hafizina.
Very good.
Yes.
Then
Now,
feminine.
okay.
Hafizun.
Hafizatun.
Hafizan.
How you
Hafizin.
make feminine? First you have to make. No,
Sorry.
listen. First you have to make.
Hafizatun.
Very good. Hafizatun.
Hafizatan. Hafizatin.
Very good.
Yes.
Hafizatani.
Hmm.
Hafizataini. Hafizataini.
Hmm.
Hafizatun.
Hmm.
Hafizatin. Hafizatin.
Very good. Mashallah. Clap for you. Uneza, can you come up? I will give you another word. Noun. Okay, go for the zakara. I think zikr. Okay, zakir. Go for zakir. Okay, the one who do zikr. Okay, zakir.
Zakirun, Zakiran, Zakirin.
Very good.
Zakirani, Zakiraini, Zakiraini.
Very good.
Zakiruna, Zakirina, Zakirina.
Very, very good. Now, feminine version.
Zakiratun. ठीक है ना?
बहुत सही, बिल्कुल सही.
Zakiratin.
Zakira, it's what is it? It is Zakirun, right? So how you will make feminine? At the last letter you have to put a zabar, then you add a ta marbuta. It will be Zakiratun, Zakiratan, Zakiratin. Okay? Now dual.
Zakiratani, Zakirataini, Zakirataini.
Very good.
Zakiratun, Zakiratin, zakiratin, zakiratin.
Excellent, excellent. Very good, very good. Now, who wants to say? Anyone's like to? Yes. Anyone's like to try? Shehnaz. Shehnaz, you like to try?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'll try.
Walaikum assalam wa- Khalidun. Okay, Khalidun. Try this chart with a Khalidun.
Khalidun, Khalidan,
Very good. Khalidin. Very good. Dual.
Dual, Khalidani,
Hmm.
Khalidaini,
Hmm.
Daini.
Very good. Now, plural.
Plural, Khalidu,
Hmm.
Khalidina,
Hmm.
Khalidina.
Very good. Now, the feminine chart. First, to make feminine, masculine to feminine, what you have to do, you have to add at the last letter fatha, then add ta marbuta with the tun sound. So it will be khalidatun, right? So khalidatun, khalidatan, khalidatin. Now dual.
Khalidatani,
Very good.
Dataini,
Very good.
Taini.
Very good. Okay.
Plural, Khalidatun,
Hmm.
Khalidatin,
Hmm.
Khalidatin.
Excellent. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So Khalidun means what? Khalidun is the one who is immortal. And I did Hafiz, right? So Hafiz, the one who guards. And Zakir, the one who does zikr. So these all are basically active participles. Okay, the one who is doing the act, active participle, file on the pattern of fa'ilun. So that we will, that is the, like later on we will read all this. Anyone else wants to try, because now the class time is ending up. For 5 minutes more I will check, then we will say goodbye. Anyone else wants to try? Yeah, or it's done. The concept is clear for everyone. What is the status and how you identify the status, how you can see for the status, how you can see for the status.
Yes.
Ending
Ending sound and the combination.
ending sound.
Very good. Ending sound and ending combination. So where you see ending sound?
In singular.
Singular.
Very good. In singular noun only, you cannot see in plural. But in broken plural, we will talk about later. Okay. So singular nouns you see for ending sounds, and combination where you look for.
Last letter, on the last letter.
Combination you look for
Dual
and plural. Very good.
Okay.
Yes, basically a status is the thing. What is a status? It is not not the change of harka. Basically, it is not dhamma fatha kasra. I told you in the last class also. A status is not about the dhamma fatha kasra. It's not about the harakat. It's not about the vowel signs. It about the change, that is the case ending. It about the change which occurs on the noun at the end of a noun. When you see a noun and the change is happening at the end of it, whether in the form of a sound, means with the haraka, changing of the haraka, or by adding any letters. Like in dual and plural, what we are doing? We are adding, right? We are doing addition over there. And in singular, we are just adding the dhamma fatha kasra, right? The sounds, the vowel signs. So Arab is basically not about the harakat. It's not defined as a harakat, dhamma fatha kasra. It's defined as a change which you see at the end of a ism, or the last, at the end of a ism, either is the form of sounds or with an extra letters. Okay. And what is the role of the status? Basically, the role, what is the significance of status? Basically, these changes indicate the role of the noun in the given sentence. That's all. I think by this, it must be clear for everyone that status is not about the harakat. It's not dhamma fatha kasra, right? Because we see just now we learned that in singular only you check for the sounds. The dhamma fatha kasra you are seeing only in the singular, right? But in dual and plural you are seeing addition is there. Okay, so there's a combination, there is addition of letters, and that is showing your error, whether it is in rafa, whether it is in nasb or jar, right? So to recap, your rafa sound is in singular u or on, in dual it is ani, and in plural it is una, right? In masculine form. And the nasb sound is your a or an, okay? Ani in your dual and ina in your plural. Nasb or jar is the same. Here the nasb and jar is the same. So in nasb in jar you have the singular look is different. That's all. So in jar you have kasra and kasratan, that is e or in sound, or in combination ina, ani and ina. Ina is a plural. Same way in the feminine version you have to see for the sound in the singular form. So it is tu or tun or tani or atun. Tu or tun, tani or atun is your rafa. Nasb is your tiny, right? Tan or tiny, or what is the plural? Atin. Nasib is your T or thin in singular. In dual it is tiny, and in plural it is thin. Okay, is it clear for everyone? This sound is very important because when you do the ayahs, you can. It's very difficult for you to find out, and you know the importance of status. You see here, if you last class I talked. No, not in this class. I talked. I think about the nahan. Okay, you see this qatala Davuda Jaluta. Qatala Davuda Jaluta. Please tell me the who is the doer or who is the receiver of the action.
Dawood is the doer.
Dawood is the doer and Jalut is the
Alut is object.
Yeah, because Jaluta is coming with your nasab status and Dawood is your rafa status, right? So in this way you can say, okay, who killed whom? Qatala to kill basically. So Dawood killed Jalut. So if I say Qatala Dawuda Jalutu, okay, so what will be your translation? If I say, I reverse it.
Dawood killed
Jalut
Jalut.
killed Dawood.
Jalut killed Dawood.
Very good.
Jalut killed
Jalut killed Dawood because I changed the Irab. I changed the status. So this was in singular. We will do in the next class more examples with the plural one, inshallah, with the ayat. Or you can see in the Surah Fatiha only. Just to do for 2 minutes and then leave the class. Okay. Wait, I will just show you the Surah Fatiha. Now you can identify the page the Surah Fatiha was there, right? In this only slides. Yeah. You see? Now tell me, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. What does this mean?
Meena, it is nasab jar dual. No, plural.
It is?
Plural.
No? Very good. It's plural. Una, ina. Una, ina. So Alamina is ina. It's matching to your ina. Okay. Innaka na'budu wa sorry. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'inu. Nasta'inu. Sorry, this is a verb. It is not an verb. Sorry.
Nasta'in is a verb, yeah.
It's a verb, leave it. Okay, it's not there more, it's not in this. Inshallah, if you take out any ayahs, we can, the next class, I will put up for you more ayahs to find out this, okay? I don't think so, and I'm not able to change also because of I'm not the host. Okay? So is it clear for everyone now, this what is the status? Because it's very important. Because we say, it is said that if you ponder upon the status and pronouns, you have done the Arabic grammar. Got my point? If you have pondered upon the status and the pronouns, if you know very well the status and pronouns, you have done it. You have done the Arabic grammar. Okay? Okay, we will end the class. So please recite the dua for me. Any one of you? Majlis dua.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك.
Jazakallahu khair. Please join the class because I think some people are missing today. So recording will be uploaded inshallah, but still you should be in the class, all of you. Okay. Hope to see you in the next class, all of you. Okay. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.
मैम आप कर सकती हैं फोन पे बात, मैम ऐसे आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, yes, मैं आपसे करती हूँ, क्लास एंड होती है तो इंशाल्लाह. Yes, anyone else was saying something?
I said we have the
Ma'am
class at
ji?
7, right?
Actually, I'm not well today. I was thinking
Okay,
of
then. Not an issue. Not an issue. It's okay. Actually, I also have some work in the house, so I was doing some work also, and I was attending the class.
Okay, so okay, I will I'm not well today, but still I was thinking to take the class. So no problem. If no problem, inshallah, we will continue next class. I will message in the group that we are not having class today. But the thing is that you please do review, because already you are in this class. So inshallah, no problem, because you know the basic foundation. These are the basic things what we are learning now. Verb is nothing. But my point, if you are mastering nouns, if you are masterize the nouns, you know, all the things related to nouns, you need not to worry about the verbs. It will be
Yes,
very
that
smooth
is
for you.
true. That is true. My noun only was not clear, so I couldn't get it properly. But Alhamdulillah, now it's clear.
So then, Alhamdulillah. So we are focusing more on noun, because these are the basic things, and these are the foundation. If our foundation is strong, inshallah, nothing to worry, inshallah, in the future, nothing to worry. So I will be missing class today for evening batch. For the senior batch, there's no class. Okay. So inshallah, next class we'll see you, and recording will be there on the YouTube channel. So no problem, you can listen from there also. Okay, just do that. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Remember in dua.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Near bush.
Hello?
Kar, hello.
Hello?
I'm Susie Parana.
The course ma'am parnawan mein haw yak.